Unleash the power of sound with the Orion XTR750 2-channel amplifier. Power, precision, technology. This amplifier delivers 750 watts of power in a 2-channel Class A/B amplifier, giving you clear, balanced sound for your front stage or bridge subwoofer setup. Its advanced Class A/B circuitry ensures smooth, accurate reproduction and crystal clear sound. The efficient design reduces heat and power use, ideal for driving speakers or a bridge subwoofer with precision and power. Tune your sound with built-in high-pass and low-pass crossovers, bass boost, and phase control for perfectly balanced performance. Inside, a MOSFET power supply delivers efficient, reliable power. Premium coils and precision-tuned filters optimize frequencies for an immersive listening experience. The output stage ensures every note hits with clarity and precision. An advanced board layout minimizes noise and distortion, letting you hear pure audio. High current terminals and the included remote gain control lets you stay in control of your music anytime, anywhere. RCA inputs and outputs integrate easily with your system, making expansion simple. With advanced ventilation, it stays cool under pressure, delivering consistent performance even during extended use. Durable and versatile, it fits into any setup, perfect for front stage clarity and bridge bass enthusiasts alike. With protection circuits against overheating, shorts, and voltage fluctuations, this amplifier stays safe and reliable under any condition. Step up your audio game with Orion XTR750.2. Power, precision, and performance, all at a price that's hard to beat. Get yours today and experience sound the way it was meant to be heard. Elevate your sound. Orion High Performance Car Audio.